My friends, we are on part two of lesson 24. Our word problem is already set up. Andres completed a 5K race in 13 and 5/10 minutes. His sister's time was 1.5 times longer than his time. How long in minutes did it take his sister to run the race? Okay, so now we know that Andres ran the race in, because it's only one race, this is one. And that one equals 13 and 5 minutes. And the sister did it on the same time, which is 3.5 and plus another half. That doesn't look like a half. Let's make it a little longer. So let's make it another half. How about there? So now we know that the sister was, this is one whole and this is half. Okay, let me show this correctly. I don't like that. So let's do this. This is one half. Okay, so now you know that 1 unit equals 13 and 5 minutes, right? So now we're gonna say how much is 1 1/2 of a unit. So that means it's going to be 1 unit is 13.5 times she did 1 1/2. So that's how you would solve this problem. This is just one way, okay? Now, when you multiply the 13 times the 1 is going to yield the same answer. So we're going to do 13.5, correct? And now we're going to multiply, this is going to be plus 13 times 1/2. So we're going to do this on the side. So it's going to be 13. I'm going to do this in parentheses, 13.5 times 1/2. So we're going to follow the procedure that we have been doing for a while. So 13.5 plus, so we know that 13.5 over 1 times 1/2, that is going to equal 13.5 plus, what is 13.1 times 1 equals 13.5 over 2. So that is the answer from this, from above. When we do this, it's going to be 13.5. So that's a division, right? That's 135 divided by 2. The 2 goes into the 13 6 times. 6 times 2 equals 12. The remainder is 1. Lower the 5. And that 2 goes into the 15 7 times. 7 times 2 equals 14. And the remainder is 1. Then we add a 0 and a decimal point, and we say that the 2 goes into the 10 5 times. 5 times 2 equals 10, and the remainder is 0. Now we know that half equals, sorry, let me just make a little correction here. The decimal point is not here. The decimal point has to be aligned right above where the 3 is, so it goes right here. So it is going to be 16 and 75 hundredths. When you add them up, this is what happens. So let me just write it below it. It's a lot easier. So I'm just gonna cross it out, write it here. So just do this so it looks better. It's more a better visual for you guys. So what is 5 plus 0 equals 5? And what is 7 plus 5 equals 12? You carry 1 over. And there's 6 and 3 and 1 equals 10. You carry 1 over, and this is 2. Now, align the decimal numbers, and that's how long it took little sister to finish the race. So we say 20 and sister finished race in 20 minutes and 25 seconds. 20 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, my friends, watch this video. It was a little longer, but that's a good way to solve the problem. Let's solve it in a faster way in the next time. Signing out, my friends, from Gravity 2 Studio. You know what? Let me just show it to you here. So, if you wanted to solve it quickly, all you had to do is 1 plus half. So, what was his time? 13 and 5/10. And half of that will be, just like we did it on that division, half of that will be 6. Let me just check quickly. 6 and 70 have 500ths. When you add that up, it's going to be the same number that he gave us on the bottom. There's going to be 20 and 2500ths. Okay, my friends, make sure you watch the video and review it. Good luck to you, my friends, and be a good mathematician today. Signing out, your coach, Mr. Magnifico.